My name is Ayush Kumar, okay, and in this video, I'm going to explain the DOM, which stands for the Document Object Model. I'll show you how JavaScript interact with it, and we'll explore different method to access DOM elements with live coding examples. Okay, so first, what exactly DOM is? The DOM is a structured representations of a web page. Let it be think of it as like a tree like structure where every HTML elements is a node. Okay, the DOM allows JavaScript to interact with uh, uh, and manipulate and update the web page dynamically without reloading it. Like for example, I want to give you when you click a button, okay, that changes some text or the color of the web page. JavaScript is manipulating the DOM behind the scene. You're right. So how JavaScript basically interact with? So JavaScript can access elements, read their content, change styles, handle events, and even add or remove the elements. Essentially, it turns a static HTML page into an interactive one. Okay, so now let's see how we can access DOM elements. So to access DOM element, there are several methods or ways I can say with the DOM elements. So we go through with the most common ones, which is get element by ID. Okay, there is such mode, get element by class name, get element by tag name, query selector, and query selector all. So these are the methods. So first we'll go with get element by id. We'll see what is get element with id, okay, how it's manipulate DOM. So let me just create a basic template. Let me add a script file over here. id is equals to heading. Okay, so nothing much over here. I've written this heading, which id has a main heading. Okay, now we in script file we are going to manipulate using get element by id. So first I will write const heading is equals to document dot get um, element by id. Now we are going to write the in which id we want to manipulate. Okay, so here I written h1 id main heading, so I want to manipulate my DOM in this one. Okay, so then in write main heading, and just be careful guys, like whenever you are writing name of any elements or class or everything, okay, the name should match exactly the same. Otherwise it gives an error. So that's the silly mistake most of them do, even I also. So console dot log will be heading, and write heading dot style dot color is equals to blue. Now let's see what going to happen in this one. Here see, hello world color is turned to blue. Let me comment out this line number 14. Then see what is color, black. Okay, if I going to uncomment out this, it's turned to blue. We can basically see that DOM manipulating by using id. Okay, so here basically what selected h1 element with id main heading and change the color to its blue. Okay, now second we'll move to get element by class name. Let me first write some class names. in HTML we write class only. I need to write class name that's required in React. Now we're going to manipulate this. Okay. Mm, Document dot get element by class name. The class name should be will be text. Okay, because we are written text over here, so class name should be text only. No paragraph 0 style dot forward. Okay, let color equals to red. So here we can see uh, like if you want to color both the class, then we just simply write omit this one and write this. So we have to write 0 1 also. So notice we exceeded a paragraph using paragraph 0 and made it red. Okay, now get element by tag name. Now we are going to use tag name. So here in const I write equals to document dot get element by tag name, which will be p. Okay, now para dot color dot color dot sorry para dot style dot color is equals to green. Here see it's the line has turned to green. Okay, now we move to query selector. So this is a modern method. It selects first element that matches the CSS selector. You can select by ID, class, tag, or even more complex selectors. Okay, so let me give you a short like const first info is equals to document dot query selector dot let me write one more class over here. Okay, first let me complete this. Info now first info dot color dot style dot color is equals to red. So we see let it be some other color like yellow. You see, right? So all these are working. Okay, so conclusion, like is the DOM is the structure of the web page that JavaScript can interact with. We can select just elements using various methods by ID, by class, tag, or CSS selector. Once selected, we can manipulate that content styles of attribute. Okay, so this is from my side. I hope you understand it. Thank you.